Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you have a little one who is going to enjoy the pool for the first time this summer, I would definitely recommend trying this pool float by LAYCOL.
One thing I really love about this pool float is the position it puts your baby in. It allows the baby to be on their stomach, essentially in a swim position, so that they can get used to being a bit more vertical in the water. And my friend's baby automatically started kicking her little legs when she was in that position. The float was so comfortable that my friend's baby almost started to fall asleep while sucking her thumb. It was so adorable. Another feature I love is the UV shield. Baby skins are so delicate, so I just love that I have the ability to attach the shade to keep them out of the sun. And of course, this comes with straps to keep your little one secure in the pool float.
So, if you're looking for a great pool float this summer that also helps them to feel comfortable in the water, I definitely recommend this pool float by LAYCOL, and that's my point of view.